Jai Siyaram. Today we will discuss about Dasrath Manji. You know about the mountain man. There is also one movie on him. This chapter, Dasrath Manji, a small biography of him is given as a pre-task in the standard 10th first chapter, as a pre-task. But the life of Dasrath Manji teaches us many things. If we want to make some impossible possible, then Dasrath Manji inspires us too much. The first thing that is required that we can learn from Dasrath Manji is determination. Determination means strong decision. Sometimes what happens with us that we decide but our decision is not strong. According to condition, our decision keeps changing. It is good in some way, but sometimes it shows us that our mind is weak. That in the beginning we decide and then after we leave. So many times it happens with us. We take many decisions in the beginning and then after we leave it. Why? Because our decisions are not strong. Dasrath Manji took a strong decision and that came from the pain. And that pain came from the love. Dasrath Manji loved his wife too much. And when his wife died, he decided at the night that I will carve a tunnel, a road through Gahlor Hills. And he decided in a fashionable way that he said always in the movie, जब तक तोड़ेंगे नहीं तब तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं. This is the determination that I will do. We should think 1000 times before taking any decision. 1000 times. But once we have decided, then we should not move. What happens with us? That in the beginning we don't think. Before taking the decision, we don't think. And after taking decision, we keep thinking. What should be the right way? That is, that think before taking decision. But once taken the decision, then after you don't have to think, then after you have to move ahead. And that's what Dasrath Manji did. He took decision, strong decision. I will do this. And then after he started working. And in his life, we knew that nobody helped him in the beginning. Nobody helped him. Everyone called him mad, lunatic, mad. But he didn't mind anything. He kept working. Why? Because his decision was strong. Second point that we have to learn from Dasrath Manji, that is, after taking the determination, after taking a strong decision, then you must have discipline. Discipline means regular work. He continued this work for 22 years. What happens with us that after taking the decision, we start working, but our work does not go regularly. Because regularity demands discipline. Without discipline, regularity is not possible. So discipline is the second point that we can learn. And this is the practical things. We can do this. It's not so hard, but yes, it requires a kind of passion. After doing the regular work, what is the third thing that is required? That Dasrath Manji taught us through his life. That is dedication. 100% giving. It means that whatever the strength we have, we have to use it. It means that we don't have to waste anything. We have to invest our every second for our mission. What do you think? Dasarath Manji worked day and night? No. He would also be taking rest at night. He would be also eating. 24 hours working, it means that dedication to only one thing. What happens with us? We cannot dedicate our work to any one point. Sometimes we are dedicated to this, sometimes we are dedicated to that, sometimes we are dedicated to the other things. It means that our focus is not on a one particular thing. That's what Swami Vivekananda says. That take one thing and give everything on it. Now you would be thinking about that how can it be possible? Can we dedicate it to only maths? Can we dedicate it to only one subject? Not at all. One area, and that area means if you are dedicated to study, then you will not do anything at the cost of study. Dedication means my mission first. Whenever I will think about something, my first thinking will be this, that I will not sacrifice this thing for any other thing. If you are dedicated to English practice, you will not sacrifice your English practice for some other things. You will not sacrifice English practice for mobile. You will not sacrifice English practice for sleep. But if you are dedicated to your sleep, to your mobile, to your social media, you will sacrifice your practice for that. So dedication means sacrifice other things for mission, for that point. And see, Dasarath Manji did it. He had a determination, he had a discipline, and he had a dedication. And these three things we can learn. Thank you very much for listening. And this was an English listening practice, because if you listen English, you will speak English one day. Thank you very much for listening once again. Jai Shri Ram.